How to change your birth date on Pinterest. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Pinterest on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Click on your profile at the bottom right. Here, click on the three dots at the top right. Then click on Settings at the bottom. After you click on Settings, click on Account Management. In Account Management, click on Personal Information. In Personal Information, click on Birth Date. Now, change it, press on OK, press on Update, and your birth date will be updated. And this is how to change your birth date on Pinterest. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.